Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two impressive drones on the table, the Bwine F7MINI drones and the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to drones, capturing stunning aerial footage is a top priority. The Bwine F7MINI drones boast a 4K UHD camera with a shock absorption ball, ensuring high-resolution details and stable shots. With its 130 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable camera, you can capture epic wide-angle shots from up to 1,640 feet. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone features a one-click detachable 4K video camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a larger comms sensor. It also has a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom for stable and convenient shooting. Plus, it excels at capturing unforgettable night scenes. Long flight time is essential for extended aerial adventures. The Bwine F7MINI drones come with 2 batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of flight time. This allows beginners to train and enjoy flying without worrying about frequent recharging. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone takes it up a notch with 3 intelligent batteries, giving you a total of 75 minutes of flight time per trip. It also comes with a portable bag, making it convenient for travel. Both drones offer GPS Smart Fly features. The Bwine F7MINI drones return automatically when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or with a simple one-key return. It also has intelligent functions like following you automatically and flying along a set path. Similarly, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone boasts GPS capabilities, allowing it to return automatically, fly with you, and circle around a specific point. It also includes additional sensors for stable flight indoors and outdoors. Overall, both the Bwine F7MINI drones and the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone have their unique strengths. The Bwine F7MINI drones excel in portability, affordability, and training capabilities, while the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone shines in camera performance, flight time, and advanced app settings. Remember to check the description below for links to both products and any available discounts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest comparisons. This has been Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.